People say no to reality, not because it's wrong, but because it is not what they wish was. You maybe think like it's unfair because you see world the way you don't like, or it is really as it is. But today in this video, I don't want to say fight against the world, change the world, because if you want to change the world, you have to change yourself first of all. You cannot change the world by thinking and fighting against the world. This is a rule you have to accept. You have to accept these rules. You cannot change the world by yelling at it. You have to fix yourself, and after that, world change with you. It is so easy formula, but lots of people don't attention to this rule, or their fingers point to the walls. They blame about the walls, they blame about everything, they complain about a situation, and they want to change their life, but they don't know change start with themselves. It's so easy, but they don't know how. But that is the reason they start fighting against the world. They are become angry about the situation they are, or the personality that they have, or about identity they have. So what is my suggestion to people? So what is my suggestion to you? That is my suggestion to you. Start changing your thoughts. After that, you will see the result that your world will change with your thought. Because when you stop fighting reality, you start shaping your future. And consider reality is not your enemy, it's your teacher, it's your mirror to tell you what's happening for you. It's an alarm that shows you you are in danger or not. It's a tools to protect you from hurting yourself. So if you hate the view, don't break the window. Move yourself, clean yourself. It's so uncomfortable. Stand against the world, stand against the reality, and start blaming and complaining about it. Start by a new way of thinking. That's easy, that's practical, that's a calm way to change yourself and change your world, change the result. And you have to start now. You are alone to do it. The bad news is nobody help you in this road. Nobody hurt you maybe in this road, but you have. But the good news is you can do it.